Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with you for a quick, hopefully a quick lesson for you. It's a new song which has just come out from Alice Cooper called Don't Give Up, and it's all to do with the Covid-19 virus which is currently doing its rounds, okay? So as I thought it would be, as it's a current song, I thought it might be quite good to do a quick lesson on it for those that want to play along with it or try and play it themselves, okay? So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Alice Cooper. Now this is obviously a very quick take on it. I haven't spent a lot of time working it out in great detail, so it might not be 100%, but it's fairly close, I think. Okay, so it starts off with this riff. Okay. And that's the intro, and it's also the first verse, if you want to. It's a talking verse, okay? He talks over it. But so let's get you into that first, okay? So first finger, 2nd fret, A string, the 5th string. Pinky is now playing the 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string, okay? And I'm using the 3rd string, which is open, okay? And all you do is you basically play 5, 4, 3 open and back to the 4th. Okay. Then what I'm doing is I'm adding my 2nd finger to the 3rd fret of the bottom E string. Okay. Keeping the other 2 fingers where they are, and just add that 2nd finger to the 3rd fret, bottom E string. Now you hit the bottom E string, the 4th string, which is held by Pinky, open 3rd, back to the 4th. Okay, so now you've got this. Okay, then we change shapes to this shape. 1st finger is playing the 4th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and my 2nd finger is playing the 5th fret of the A string, the 5th string, and the 3rd string is open. Okay, and again it's 5, 4, 3, open, back to 4. Okay, nice and easy. Yeah? And the final phrase is this, just all you do is you remove this 2nd finger. Just leave the 1st finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string, and you hit 5 open, 4th string, 3rd string open, back to the 4th string, held at the 4th fret. So that's just all that is that. Same again, but without that finger. And those are the 4 shapes. Okay, so what you've got now is this. Okay, so it does that a couple of times as the intro. And then it carries on doing it, and he comes in and does his talking first verse, and that lasts for 3 times round. Once he starts singing, you do that whole routine 3 times, okay? Second time, 3rd time. Okay, so after the 3rd time it goes to a straightforward E chord and then a single hit on a G bar chord. Or a G, you can play a G straight if you want, whichever G you want, but I'm playing a G bar chord, okay? Okay, then it goes into the chorus, which is strummed, okay? So, and that's B minor, 2nd fret bar chord. And then it's this bit that goes, we are all hanging round by a thread, or hanging on a thread, yeah? And that's B minor, G, bar chord, D, E. And he does that about 3 times as well. Sorry, it took 3 times. And then again, single strum on a G chord, Okay, so the chorus is 3 times round that sequence: B minor, G, D, E, again, once more, G, and then there's a bit of a bendy, something like that, which is just a slight bend. I'm not saying it's 100%, but it sounds like that to me. So it's 7th fret on the 2nd string I'm doing, slight bend up and then down, and then going from 7th fret on the 3rd string, just pulling off, sort of slide down sort of thing. Okay, so something like that. Okay, and then it does the sequence again: B minor to G to D to E, and it goes back to the riff for another talking verse, and then it repeats the chorus again. Okay, like we did before: B minor, G, D to E, 3 times, yeah. And this time, after the 3rd time, it goes into a short lead bit, alright, instrumental bit. And the sequence for that is, once it does the 3 times for the verse, it goes into B minor, guitar comes in, lead guitar, B minor, something like that. I think it's B minor, D, E to G. Repeat, B minor, D, E to G, stop. And then we go back to, for another talky verse. And then another chorus. So those are all the different bits, okay? Just need to put them together for yourself, okay? So just to repeat, after the 2nd chorus, it goes into this short lead bit. It's only fairly short. And it's, as far as I can tell, although it's very distorted, so it's difficult to exactly, I think he's playing B minor, D, E, G, B minor, D, E, G, stop, and then the pause, and then it comes back in with the old riff again. Well, hopefully that might help you get started on that song at least. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.